Hey guys, what's up? It's Multimaker, and today I'm gonna talk about my girlfriend. I know I've been talking about her so much. Because I love her. And today I'm gonna tell you how we met. So basically, how we met is I have a friend, and I was texting him, and some out of nowhere, a girl says, "Stop texting my boyfriend." So I say, I don't give a fuck. And we just keep arguing, and I tell her, don't give the phone to her. And by the way, I'm outside. And so she takes it, and she looks through all the pictures that I sent of me to Ray, my friend Raymond. And he says, I think she likes you. Hold on. And so, yeah, she started texting me, and then she wanted to go behind his back and date me. Sooner or later, he found out. So, he got mad. We're still friends, though. And so we just started texting each other later that night. Raymond's Facebook stopped working. Couldn't talk to her. Couldn't talk to her for about 2 months. So sad. Then we got Twitter. And I started talking to her again. And then all this other crazy shit happened later on. Hold on. So we started texting again. It's been good. There's just been, I don't know, crazy stuff. And so, yeah, that's a short story. But that's all I meant. Yeah. Like, subscribe, notification. See ya.